Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope you're doing well. So, I have finished cooking some lamb stew. Some nice grass-fed lamb stew. And I did it with pinto beans, some yellow and red tomatoes, the size of cherry tomatoes, with chunks of ground lamb. I simmered it very slowly so that it could get to be kind of chunky and brothy. And when the beans get even more cooked, like when you reheat it the next day, you'll actually have a chili consistency, which will be pretty nice. This is perfect for a warm day, real simple ingredients, because when you stew it for a while, the flavor combinations come together naturally, so you don't have to add too much for a simple brothy soup like this on a cold day. The flavor of the meat with the beans and the tomatoes provides a nice balance and acidity, so I'm very pleased with how this came out. Hopefully you can cook for your family as well and try having some fun with some new soups.